The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 2, Parliament. Procedure, generally. Article 120. Language to be used in Parliament. 1. Notwithstanding anything in Part 17, but subject to the provisions of Article 348, business in Parliament shall be transacted in Hindi or in English. Provided that, the Chairman of the Council of States, or Speaker of the House of the People, or person acting as such, as the case may be, may permit any member, who cannot adequately express himself in Hindi or in English, to address the House in his mother tongue. 2. Unless Parliament by law otherwise provides, this article shall, after the expiration of a period of 15 years from the commencement of this Constitution, have effect as if the words, or in English, were omitted therefrom.